think we have it. Yes, excellent. Okay, let's pop. No. Let's pop you out. Excellent. Let's put you here and let's. Pop the chat out. Excellent. Great. I don't know. Do I have music on this thing? I don't know. So I hear music, but can you? I think it may not come your way. So minimize this. I have way too many windows. Voila, voila. Okay, cool. So the music is not coming your way. I'm not sure how to add music. If I add this, rename, delete, select the device. It's out about input. But I want to share my audio. So it's not that. Yeah, no. How does this work? Maybe in the layers? Media source, maybe? Nope. I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? Okay. Okay. I need to. Why it's not working? Okay, it's working. Hey, McNit. Hello, how are you? I lost like an hour trying to stream from my computer. I change my my usual camera, not this one, is usually in a PCI Express. So I have like USB ports, but I changed the position of that PCI Express card in my computer, and I think now it's not working. So yeah. And so now every time I turn OBS, it crash. So now I'm on my work computer. Well, this is still like what you see is still my Linux laptop, but I'm streaming from my work computer, and I had nothing configured except to like record some videos. I need to look at the good camera. And so I'm using Meld Studio. Not okay. So if I do this, no. Oh man. Let's use the keyboard of the laptop. Nah, no drop, no CB. I have nothing configured. Sorry. It will be a bit boring stream, I think. There's no fluff today. It's just like, I have 3 scenes of me, just the screen, or this one in the corner. I'm all white, washed. I cannot tweak it. That's when you realize, oh, I had a good setup. Oh man, that's not so great. Okay. Well, we can still code. You don't use scenes. Well, it's useful, you can switch between different stuff. Can you hear the music on your side? Okay. Okay. So I have this. I think you cannot, and I was trying to understand how I can. Well, I'm old too, so that makes two of us. Yeah, let's go here. Oh, interesting. Things move. If I go in this screen and open the browser and I do Meld Studio, share computer sound, computer sound. To share the sounds, use the audio mixer to capture the system audio. Oh, system audio, that's the word I was looking for. By default, audio track are linked globally, meaning setting like volume, mute are across all the same. To capture the computer sound, add audio track to your audio mixer with the plus icon and select the appropriate. So yeah, but it's not present. I did try that. Oh, maybe here. Gain, Magic Mic, stereo planner. No. So I had this, and now the track. I have default input. That's not what I want. Then I have yeah, it's a bunch of microphones. If I go, what was it again? System audio. Yeah, no, it's not there. I have no idea how to do that. Okay, let's go without music. Use GPT. Why are you telling me to use GPT? So mic, game, so game capture. I mean, I could play the music on this computer. So that may show up. So I did that. What if it's because if I turn that on, I don't think you have sound now. Maybe this level automatic gain control. No, if I do this, that's not what I want. Yeah. Well, today instead of like bring your own drink, will be bring your own music. But it's sad. Like I have music running. Yeah. Okay, what if I go like this? Oh no, that's not what I want. I go Windows 5. Cool. And now I go and okay, let's come here, pause the music. Not sure we'll hear it though. Okay, and now I can start this. Oh, I can hear it. Interesting. Can you hear that? Okay, if I close it here. Okay. So now if I go here and I do this, you don't hear that. That's weird. That come from this. Maybe I need to bring, so if I do this and then I do this maybe. I think now you can hear it, but I can't. It's a little bit loud, I'm assuming. Okay. Yeah. It would be nice to, so I could hear it too. How can I do that? Okay, sound. Oh, can I maybe Q? No. This? Oh, I could do this music. Okay. Can I do... Can you still hear it? No? Now I think yes, right? I see the equalizer going up. Okay. So how can I also hear it? I mean, I could turn it on my side too. Oh, can I? It's just super low. Whoop. It's so quiet. I'm not used to have like so like. Should I whisper like that? It's a coding ASMR session. Okay. Well, let's have some fun. Is it too loud or it's okay? I know you said you're old and everything, but okay. So I worked on Lavelos. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, sir. What could I do without you? Okay, so I think I'm fine. Let's bring this thing. So let's close this. So if I go here, it's this. If I go here, here, here. Okay, if I go this. Cool. Well, because usually I share music. I'm sure like it's a glitch. It's fine. I mean, it's weird. A stream without music, I think. No? I just don't get it why it's not showing on my side. Anyway. Okay, I need to do this. Oh, I could type there though. Right? If I go here and like that, now I will have this and I could say, hi, cool, it's working. Okay, great. So now if I open a terminal, I want to show you what I'm working on. We could go. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, okay. So if I go then open a folder, we'll go in a subfolder. Cool. Oh, maybe I didn't install it. I thought I did. I tried to install, I did install Rider, but most solutions don't work, unfortunately. Now I'm just waiting to see. Okay, cool. The Solution Explorer is there. because there's multiple project, I'm assuming that's why I was not picking up. So not good. Just like I just create that a few minutes, well, like it's not true. It was 3 o'clock, and then I was like, hey, I should stream doing that. Hey, Stony, how are you? It's a very sad stream today. There's no CB, no clouds. No, like you have music, I don't. I only have 3 scenes. It's very dry. So let's do that. Can you do me a favor? Yeah, I can. What can I do for you, sir? Please stop talking. Okay. Please feel your forehead and tell me if you're okay or not. What? This? Use Spotify on my phone. If I use Spotify on my phone, the thing, they are linked, right? So right now, if I turn on my phone and use Spotify here, I will control the Spotify in my computer. Streaming at this time is new. Yeah, like long time ago I used to do like 2 streams, and now I was like, oh, you know what, like I should stream. Oh, is it working? Yeah, it's working. But it crashed. Oh no, it start. Cool. I want to do this. I want to do that. Come, go up. Why are you not going up? Well. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, so so I was working on that demo and I was, I should stream. Like that's a good fit to stream. I have, like, it's kind of like I'm just like repurposing a demo that I already had, where people were like, well, it's not that fantastic. So right now what it does is like, okay, so I'm trying to find a tech event, and then I'm searching, it will ask for my location, though I'm overriding it for San Francisco right now. And now it's like, it's looking, should be looking. Is it looking? Oh, I did put the key. Let's do that. But this time, let's not show my, if I do this, well, cool. Oh, I don't, oh yeah, I can go, okay. So yeah, so I wanted to do that. So I was okay, cool. So I swapped computer and like set up everything, the green screen, all the lights and everything to stream, and then turn on OBS, and then it crashed. I was like, what? And I did it multiple times. And this week I had a card in my computer, so I had to move a PCI Express to like a different slot. And I guess OBS or my camera don't like that, and I don't know, so it keeps crashing all the time. I was like, oh. So I was like, oh, too bad. I will just like come back to my work computer and you know, do the thing. But my work computer is set up a little bit more so I could record video and not stream. So yeah. Do you have a HDR enable on your monitor? I don't know. But it wasn't a problem last week. I like that team. McNet. I like the blue and the yellow. I used to do a lot of changing on the team, and then I found that one and was like, you know what, I like it. Well, sometime I try something different and I come back to that one. So I need... Okay. If I go here and I'm in this folder and I want to go from this. I don't know. And interesting. I don't even have the sample. Oh, maybe I never ran. Okay. Well, it's possible. So here. The app settings? What? No. What? Did he? What? I should have opened it in a different environment. Okay, let's close that one. Just bugging me right now. And I want to go in. Oh yeah, it's true. Get this, and let's go in restaurant. And if I go. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Let's close this. And now in the program file, I was using app settings. Yeah, I was using app settings. Interesting. Okay. So let's close this. I want to show you, and then I will go fetch it by myself. So I won't bring you with me. So apparently for this app, because I like these days that when I do those, I use a env file, .env file, but apparently here I put it there. So what I will do is I will stop sharing my screen and I will go grab my key. There it is. So now I can close that file. Close this thing. Come back here, reshare my screen. Now I'm done. Everything look muted, as if you are converting from HDR to SDR without the proper conveyor. Well, oh, maybe it is. I'm also not in OBS. I'm using Meld Studio, Stony, so maybe that's why. And it's on the Mac, so I'm guessing maybe there's something. Oh no, like it's possible. I'm using a capture card to capture my laptop, this machine, to my Mac. Okay, so let's try to run it again. Go to your display output setting of which one? Okay, look like this is working. The one that caused it, I can tell. Okay, let's have a look. So my capture card is XR1 Lite capture card. It's true that it feels like there's an effect, right? but I don't have any effect on it. Yeah, I see what you mean. Whoop. The oh, the screensaver was good though, right? If I go here, it's not working. Okay. That feels a good color. I'm not washed. Like I could turn off the light a little bit. Usually I have like a filter on my camera, but I cannot use it on this one. But at least like color, like this look red, like it's kind of like punch red, right? If I do this, oh, look like the scene is not available anymore. It's there. And it's true that it look washed. Can maybe delete that layer. Yeah, it is kind of always, but why? See, now that's good. But that's coming from my laptop too. Oh, cool. I have the chat available there. So when I look in my settings, can I, okay, let's do a thing. If I do this and I bring that view, okay, let's do that. That's clean, right? Compared to this view? Yes. Okay. Did I? Hey, hello. It's 100%. But that's weird because when the screensavers start, it's okay. And oh no, that's wash too, right? If I remove it, yeah, if I remove it, yeah. So that's an image and that's my screen. Hey, so you get, or like I'm using a different tool and we're just trying to debug it. Okay. So that's my screen. I can go back to here. Oh yeah, so that's the thing if I do no, if I do this, okay, and now I go, oh, we won't be able to see it. If I go this way, do this, okay, and I bring you here. There's a little bit of inception. So I'm sharing. So, oh my God. So the washed version is on my laptop and on like the code, let's say dev machine. Let's call it dev machine. So the left side is at the dev machine and the right side is my stream machine. You need the third PC. Please, no. So this is my card. So I thought it was opacity the problem, but it's 100%. Like I cannot go 200%. It's maximum. If I go here, like earlier, I thought, oh, maybe, you know, like I put it to 30. Oh, effect. Nope. Oh, maybe there's, but if I do that, there's none. It should be none. Because if I do this, and let's say black and white, okay, they are not stacking. Oh, maybe there's a filter. The HDMI output of my laptop. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So let's move this out of the way. Let's bring it like full screen. I will bring back this so I could see it too. 1 second. That could be a thing. So if I go here and I go, I have no idea how to go there though. Display. No. That's my screens. So you like, I'm having my monitor. This is my monitor and this is my laptop. But that's not, how do I see the output? That's a good question, right? 10-bit is disabled. Oh. Is there a color range option in the setting of your capture card? Well, I used that capture card and I never had any issue, but now I'm on a Mac instead of like Windows. In Meld Studio, like if I right click on like the capture card layer, like it's copy, duplicate, rename, like it's all about the layer. There's nothing about the card itself. If I go to the device, earlier I show you the resolution. I was at HD, so 1920 by 1080. I changed the frame rate, camera properties, dumb debug info. I don't know. And on this computer, I don't know how to see the output. But like that wasn't like that when I was on my Windows machine. So maybe the problem is this card working with. Why are you using two computers? Can I use the Mac only? I could do so many things, McNet. It's just that that's why I use two computers. So I could go whatever I want and I keep the same dev environment. I don't have to install different tools or whatever to work. I just could plug and like project this. What if I search for HDR? I could do something like so hyperlink configuration. HDR 10-bit is not working properly, so look like it is a known issue, maybe. Let's open this. Ooh, we go in territory that I'm not comfortable to play with, though. Or maybe we can go check this. Wait, what? No. Okay. Let's go this, and let's go. Oh, I didn't paste it. It's empty. Then it doesn't exist. So if I go ls.config and hyper, yeah, okay. So So the monitor, like you're seeing, is that one. If I go, the tool I use to configure it is hypermom. So this monitor, there's a mode. Could go maybe this. I don't think it will change anything. So, C maybe, an advance, HDR, 8 bits, 10 bits. So if I do this, maybe. There it is. So should I put it 10 bits or should I not put it to 10 bits? The guy was saying that it was not working great with 10 bits. So I guess I should leave it to 8 bits, but put then to, where do you see SDR? Not, so I'm keeping it 8 bits. And where do you see the SDR? So I need to put it 10 bits. I'm sorry. Like it's so not like I should. That's so I'm oh, HDR. So here I could, like, right now it's sRGB. You're confused as fuck. I can put it maybe auto. I mean, we can try this. We can try 10 bits. And if we do apply, is it? No, it's still washed, right? Didn't resolve the problem. Okay, so it was in advance. So let's go back to 8 bits. And here, maybe we could go instead to HD. And then we apply, and then we apply. It's still washed. Could it be the team? Like Omarchi is super strong with the team. Could it be the team that does that? So if I do this and then I go style and I change the team, let's go with Capuchin. I go back to VS Code. It's still transparent. And it's still washed. Right? So there's transparency in my windows. So why is there transparency? I don't want transparency. If I go this and I do style, team, it's still washed. I forgot which one I liked. I think it was Tokyo Night. Oh, interesting. And now my computer is oh no. Okay, I brought you back. Okay. Oh, it applied different teams. Man. Okay. So we're back here. We go and see in the saturation. You want me to go in the saturation? That's weird. It doesn't do like the other times. Come on, tubes. Yeah, it didn't make any difference, right? HDR EDID. I have no idea what it means. Apply change successfully. There's transparency everywhere now. You want me to try that URL? Let's try that URL. Oh, you want me to do? Yeah, but not now. Let's fight one problem at a time, okay? I'm not sure I will stream for that long. I feel like I should fix my other computer issue instead of like trying to stream on that one. Well, my moderator is Mr. Sturdy Dev. I can put you too if you want. Can I do that? Can I do it like now? Can I promote you easily? I think you're a mod now. Yeah. Well, Sturdy Dev also have the mod stuff. Okay, I will just get back to how it was before. So if I go again in advance, this was on. Should we try auto? Enter to apply. And apply. It like the other time it was kind of like flickering, and now it's just like, you're fine. Okay, let's go back to exactly how it was before. So I was here. Let's do this. Let's go apply. That's weird. Let's save and quit. Okay. Now I lost my team that I like. Team. Forgot what it was. Was it Risotto? Nope. Though it looks cool. It looked like Raiders, the game I've been playing. Oh, I completely forgot my my team. I think that's the one I liked. And then if I go and I do this, I think. Yeah, I think that's washed, but that's on purpose watch. So maybe it's part of the team. Maybe it's the Wayland configuration. If I do this and I go style and I go Hyperland, that's the first time I see this thing. I shouldn't move. I shouldn't mess around with that. Yeah, no, I don't want to play with that. Okay, let's keep it this way. Just don't. It's fine. Okay, let's go. So, oh, all that for that. And like you have music, I don't. Well, like you look like the music is quiet. But yeah, so the demo, I kind of swapped the demo. Is instead of looking, so I got inspired from the Reka restaurant, the demo that I use AI for. And it's a great demo on the technical base because it was showing that you could block domains. So for example, you don't want, like, so the idea of the demo, oh, thank you, Stony, but I'm fine. Like, until you do like really messy stuff, I'm fine. Thank you for help. You say, like, if you're happy to be my mod, then I'm happy to have you modding. Yeah, so the Reka restaurant is a good demo because you could like, so it's looking online, it's search for you, like restaurant. You say, oh, I want to eat sushi, and like it catch your location and look for stuff. So it was using the location, it was sharing all the reasoning. It was like a specific format. You could say, I don't want you to look restaurant at Uber Eats, for example, or something like that. So like there was a lot of things you could do. But when I was demoing that, the first thought was like, well, it takes 2 minutes and I could do it with Google Map in like 2 seconds. And I was like, yeah, but the point is all the code, not like what it really does. So I'm trying to find a different way. I had no idea also. See now, 2 mods. 2 little sword guy talking. So yeah, so I know in Python we have another demo called Event Finder. So I was like, oh, maybe like that's a better one. So I just ask AI, hey, flip the switch, convert everything, and it does that. It did that. Sorry. So that's cool, right? So it's fine. Events coming. It's past event though, so we'll have to work on the dates. Have the 2 of the best. But yeah, it was fast. It took 40 seconds. So we'll definitely have to improve. So yeah, so I think that demo will make more sense than the restaurant, except that's not what I want. Except that, yeah, I lost all the stuff was overridden with the team. That's why I think the team is it's cool, but yeah. It's still interesting. I don't see it in my screen. Like that background, I don't see it, but you do. So you see transparency where I don't. I mean, do I? No, I don't. There's one setting. I know. I said I will stop. There's one. That's a weird background. Oh, I love that background. Come on, that background is cool. But let's put the orange one. There's one thing I couldn't understand. If I go to display, this one, the display setting, when I play with, so here it says 10-bit support. I could try that. It didn't change anything on your side. The only thing I didn't understand is like when I do the workspace, this, that's like the workspace are like the numbers at the top. And I don't know how to remove it. Oh, one sec. I will mute myself. Blah, 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 blah. No, it's still working. Come on. My mute button was working. Excellent. I was saying, don't try to walk with reading glasses. And I was telling McNett earlier, was saying he was old. Well, those are reading glasses, and I walk with them, and it was not fun. Oh my god. Okay, that was my wife. She then, so yeah, so one of the thing I messed up with this. See how like it the number 5 is empty, but as soon as I click on one, I cannot remove it. I cannot like disable it or reset them, the workspace. So I don't know. Anyway. Oh, that's better. Can we fix it? No. See, it's definitely the workspace thingy. Like right now, you can see more. Am I right? Right now, you could totally see. You give up. Yeah, we're just geeking out right now. You can see the background there, right? Like you see the code, but like you could see that sun. And if I change workspace, you see it less now. Am I right? Or it's just in my screen, or I'm hallucinating stuff. Maybe I am. Maybe I should stop. Where's my mouse? Oh man. What I wish is that I find a way to fix my original setup. I'm going back to my own struggle. Yeah, fine. I will stop streaming anyway. That was a useless stream. I thought it would be fun because I would be able to code, and then I end up losing 2 hours trying to make stuff that used to work. No, I'm tired too. Like it's mostly 6 p.m. for me. I've been working for a long, long time. And I was just excited to work on that, but now I'm just tired. So I think that will be it. Well, thank you for your time, guys. It didn't work. You know, it's working. And like I'm all washed. Like I don't have my good camera and the good setting and everything. Thank you for being with me and trying. Thank you, Stony, for like helping with the mod stuff and just being there and trying to understand what's happening with this setup. So thank you all, and I will see you Friday. Hopefully we'll fix all my issue and we'll be able to have like a regular stream. See you there, everybody. Bye-bye. Now I need to find how to stop that streaming stuff. Oh.